services to mainland Europe. Also change here for London Underground. Exit here for London King's Cross and the British Library.
Oyster and contactless payments may only be used on certain routes and at specific stations. Please check the route maps by the entrance doors for full information.
The doors will open automatically at the next station. Hackney Downs. This is the service to London Liverpool Street. Next station, London Liverpool Street.
Kingston, Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central, Brockenhurst, New Milton and Bournemouth.
This train will also be calling at Christchurch and Folkestone.
This is Norwood Junction. This train is the southern service to Sutton, calling at West Croydon, Wadden, Wallington, Carshalton Beaches, and Sutton. The next station is West Croydon. Or the C2C rail service to Southend Central, calling at Stratford, Barking, Dagenham Dock, Rainham, Purfleet, Grays, Tilbury Town, East Tilbury, Stanford-le-Hope, Pitsea, Benfleet, Leigh-on-Sea, Chalkwell, Westcliff, and Southend Central.
If you see something that doesn't look right, speak to staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. We'll sort it. See it, say it, sorted.
This is Kingston. This train is for London Waterloo. The next station is Northerton. Station is Clapham Junction. Change here for London Victoria, East Croydon, London Gatwick Airport, Brighton, Kensington Olympia and Willesden Junction. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Our trains are controlled by you. Please place revenue protection teams. If you do not follow the plan and take over this train, you may be issued with a minimum penalty fare of £100 or face prosecution.
This is Surbiton. Please remember to take all your personal items with you when you leave the train.
This is Carshalton. This train is the southern service to Dorking, calling at Sutton, Cheam, Epsom, Ashton, Reading, and Croydon. The next station is Sutton. King's Cross St Andrews. Change We will be calling at Harrow and Wealdstone, Bushey, Watford Junction, Hemel Hempstead, Berkhamsted, and Tring. The next stop will be Harrow and Wealdstone.
Next station, Paddington. Change for Bakerloo, Circle, District, Hammersmith City, and National Rail Services.
Doors will open on the right-hand side. Change for Bakerloo and Central lines.
This is Northwestern. Change here to the London Underground services. 5. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Please keep your luggage with you at all times and report any incidents to a member of staff. Overground service to Brighton. The next station is if all are you plan to use this train. If you do not, you may have to pay a penalty charge.
Change here for Circle, Hammersmith and City, Metropolitan, Northern and Piccadilly lines, national and international rail services. Exit here for the British Library. This station has step-free access. This is a Victoria Line train to Walthamstow Central. Highbury and Islington has no interchange access to national rail services due to industrial action. Finsbury Park has no interchange access to national rail services. Change here for the Northern Line and national rail services. Exit here for Trafalgar Square, National Gallery and National Portrait Gallery. This is a Bakerloo line train to Elephant and Castle.
This station is Kentish Town. This train terminates at St Albans City. We will be calling at West Hampstead Thameslink, Cricklewood, Red Cross West, Paddington, Mill Hill Broadway, Elstree and Boreham Wood, Radlett, and St Albans City.
Monument. Change for the Central, Northern and Waterloo and City lines and DLR from Bank.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
London Liverpool Street. Change for Central Line, Circle Line, Hammersmith and City Line, Metropolitan Line, London Overground and Elizabeth Line.
This is Barbican. The front doors will not open here. Please use other doors.
Closed circuit television and video recording are in use on this train.
You must hold a valid ticket to travel on this train. Customers without a valid ticket may be issued with a minimum penalty fare of £100 or face prosecution.
Clapham Junction, Wimbledon, Surbiton and Woking, where this train will divide. Passengers travelling to Brookwood, Farnborough, Fleet, Winchfield, Hook and Basingstoke, please make your way to the front part of the train. Passengers travelling to Brookwood, Ashvale, Aldershot, Farnham, Bentley and Alton, please make your way to the rear part of the train.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This station is Hayden's Road. This train terminates at St Albans City. We will be calling at Tooting, Streatham, Tulse Hill, Herne Hill, Loughborough Junction, Elephant and Castle, London Blackfriars, City Thameslink, Farringdon, London St Pancras International, Kentish Town, West Hampstead Thameslink, Cricklewood, Hendon, Mill Hill Broadway, Elstree and Boreham Wood, Radlett, and St Albans City. Liverpool Line Street. Our next station is Liverpool South Parkway. Welcome aboard this service to Brighton. Calling at Clapham Junction, East Croydon, Gatwick Airport, Haywards Heath and Brighton. The next station is Clapham Junction. Please keep all personal belongings with you at all times. If you see something that doesn't look right, report it to a member of staff or text the British Transport Police on 61016. See it, say it, sorted. For security reasons, please keep your luggage and personal belongings with you at all times. For your comfort and safety, we have provided safety information notices. These notices are located around the entrance and exits to this train. Please take a few moments to read these notices.
Welcome aboard this London Northwestern Railway service to Liverpool Line Street. The next stop will be Liverpool South Parkway.
The next station is King's Cross St Pancras. Change for the Northern, Piccadilly and Victoria lines, national and international rail services. Exit for the Royal National Institute of Blind People and the British Library.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Change here for the Jubilee, Northern and Waterloo and City lines and national rail services. This is a Waterloo line train to Elephant and Castle.
Welcome to this service for London Liverpool Street. We will be calling at London Liverpool Street.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Change here for the Circle, District and City lines, Elizabeth line and national rail services. This is a Waterloo line train to Elephant and Castle.
In Victoria, change here for Circle and District line, National Rail Services and Victoria Coach Station. This station has step-free access. This is a Victoria Line train to Waterloo Central.
Please.